2001 was a busy year. Apple was popping off. Napster and Sega, meanwhile, threw in their respective towels. We got 3 new game consoles, one from a brand new challenger. Scientists found this little guy. And America had her worst day ever. And for those of us who still remember all of that, Windows XP holds a special place in our hearts. But was it really that good? Or was it just better than the Millennium Edition and Vista dumpster fires that bookended it? To find out, we gathered some of our young and young at heart friends to see if they could navigate Microsoft's most iconic Windows ever. There's lots more where that came from, but before we get to it, there's one more thing that came out in 2001. This Segway. Well, not this one exactly, one like it. Whoa! Does this thing even work?
Not even a little.
We're still gonna get to our sponsor though, Hetzner. With their new Singapore location, Hetzner's GDPR-compliant, high-performance cloud servers are now lowering latency on a global scale. Check out their metered, pay-as-you-go options using our link down below. Windows XP was chock full of important milestones. It was the first consumer version of Windows to be based on the more stable NT kernel. It was the first to require Microsoft product activation online, and it was the first major overhaul of the Start menu since it was introduced back in Windows 95. It was also the first Windows to use graphical effects like alpha compositing and drop shadows to pretty up the interface, and it introduced ClearType for better readability on LCD displays, which were just starting to approach affordability for the home user. There were also big changes to the control panel, Windows Explorer, networks and internet connectivity, multi-language support, and multimedia tools, many of which have changed a fair bit since then. So let's see if our test subjects are able to navigate our challenges.
I'm Katie and I'm 18 years old.
I am McIntyre and I am 17 years old.
Hi, I'm Elijah, junior writer here. I am 26 years old and I have actually never used Windows XP. I've never even used Windows 7.
Whoa, Windows XP is running on this display. Man, I haven't used this since like 2001. I remember it was my favorite operating system all the way until probably Windows 10. You know, the funny thing is it actually looks really alike. Like Windows hasn't actually changed all that much. Wow, the local area connection with the little 2 like monitors or whatever. Oh my God, I forgot all about this stuff. Oh my God, is the control panel the good one? Oh, I can't search anymore. No, I have to actually hit the search button.
I want you to set up a screensaver.
Where is it? Can I search for it?
You can try.
What was it called again?
Probably pictures. Oh gosh, this is bad. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, it's right there. Oh, that one, for sure.
Oh, that one, oh my God, I forgot about all the screensavers. Oh, where's the like pipes, 3D pipes? Yeah.
All right, well, properties, obviously. Desktop, screensaver. Wait, does this have the pipes? Hell yeah. There you go. It has been applied.
So I think you're the first person to go to properties to do that.
Oh. Where did everyone else go?
Everyone else went through control panel.
Oh, the dog! I forgot about the dog! I remember Merlin. Yeah, Merlin was dope. Who else? Courtney, Earl. I don't remember Courtney or Earl. I mostly just remember Merlin and Rover. 100% using Merlin. Switch. Why didn't he switch? Oh, he's going away. And then he comes in. What an animation. Oh my God. Probably my favorite thing that I used to do in XP was turn everything off so that I could get higher FPS in Half-Life and Counter-Strike.
It took its sweet time. All right, my CD's in. Now we need to open it.
Does this thing even open? I don't even think I've ever even touched one of these things. I'm trying not to break it. I have no clue. Okay, now I've just gotten a bunch of options of different audio. I can play the audio, copy it, play it from different, I think, apps, I think.
I don't know how to do it. No, there's no copy. It just says enable and disable selected tracks.
Is there anything
Properties?
at the top right?
Oh yeah, copy music right there.
Oh, there. Okay.
Oh, this will be easy. I want track 1, and I want track 6, and I want track 9.
Let's do 1 and 24. Wait, now the 24 is gone. Okay, this makes some sense. Okay, now they're all gone. Now they're all unchecked. What?
Oh, I can hear it. It's, oh, the high pitch is actually really annoying. It's doing some sort of coil whine of some sort. Well, it sounds like coil whine. I don't know if it's actually coil whine, but like it's that type of sound. Is it done? Holy crap, this takes forever. I could probably Google this CD faster on YouTube. Go to a youtube.mp3 ripper. Don't do that, by the way. And then rip it faster than this. This is crazy. Hey, I got my 3 songs.
All right, good work. Now, I want you to make an audio CD with those tracks.
Insert blank CD. Okay. Well, conveniently, there's a blank CD right here.
Why are you so broke on it?
It's a CD.
They scratch like these. So
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now it's copying to the CD. Nice. First one's done. This is mine.
Here you go.
There we go.
Did you do 4?
I did 15 and 16.
Okay.
So, oh yeah. Sweet. I got my own CD now.
All right. You selected your tracks.
No, it's not click and drag. Oh, copy. Insert blank CD. I did.
Look a little closer at the tracks.
Huh? They look the exact f***ing same. What do you mean look closer at the drives? One says LG, one says DVD. Is it because this one says secure disc? Or a super multi?
Yeah, the Super Multi is what you're after.
Okay, copy.
And this is the fast version.
That's crazy to me. Dude, this would drive me, like if my Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer was acting this slow, I would immediately be reinstalling. I'd be like, something's wrong.
I forgot how long. You'd put a CD in and you'd like rip it and then you'd walk away for a while because it actually takes some time. What a process. We just don't even do this anymore. Wow, I get to open it?
Yeah.
I get the privilege? Sheesh. Amazing. Oh. Smells like 2000, baby.
Which one's what?
It should say on them.
Select the programs you want to install. I see it. Okay, okay. Oh, there it goes, it's installing. Oh, insert Microsoft Suite Disk 2 and then, why does it ask me to do Disk 2?
Yeah, back in the day, and this is after floppies too, because you used to have to do this with floppies as well, where you'd get like a stack of floppies and then you'd install them disc by disc. And then CDs came out and they could hold a lot more information and that was great, but you still had to do a lot of things one by one. I remember installing Diablo 2 and you could skip part of the install, but you wouldn't get the cinematics because they were all on like disc 3 or whatever. All right, let's see if this just auto launches. It did, setup. Wow. This may take several minutes. That's very true. It would take even longer if it was on a hard drive, which everyone had back then.
All programs. Holy crap, this is the worst organization I've ever seen in my entire life.
Cut at the bottom.
Could not find Streets and Trips on this machine. Oh, disc on this machine. Oh, do I need to, Okay. What the hell's the point of installing the program if I have to reinsert the disc anyways?
So it'll install what it needs to run. The one with that is the one with CDs.
Oh. Is that just because like people didn't have hard drives like big enough back then? Probably.
In a lot of cases, yeah.
Okay. We did it! Wait, how do I move? Oh god, I just, oh, I can search. Linus. No, that wouldn't work because it's,
That's gonna work.
what's our address? Right here would be the office.
That road doesn't look like that anymore.
Yeah, it does not look like this. I found the office. Let's go. All right, now let's dox Linus. His exact address is.
I want to go to cheatcc.com, cheat code central, because back then you could actually cheat in video games without like hacking. Wow, member of the week, this guy. I don't know who he is, but sure. Oh my God, GameCube free CCC email, DVD, PlayStation, codes. You go to codes and you'd find codes and you'd enter them in. You'd have to search by, oh my God, you'd search. You'd be like, I want the Crash Bandicoot cheat codes. And then you'd scroll down. Cool, oh yeah, Cool Borders 4.
Man, this sucks. Is this because we're using Web Archive, or is this how long it would take to load a website back then?
It's a little column A, little column B.
Okay, there's an Athlon XP 1800. Is that, oh, and a motherboard, so that's a combo. 160 CAD for a motherboard CPU combo. That's pretty good. A broadband router? Woo! 60 gig hard drive, 140 Canadian dollars. Do you want to not be able to install the newest Call of Duty? Here's $140. Have a good day. That's crazy.
Play a lot of pinball.
Nope. Played once in an arcade machine in a bowling alley, but that's about it.
This was like the hot new game that came out with this version of Windows, basically.
Yeah, that's pretty sad.
Right?
Yeah. I got a new computer. You want to play pinball with me? Here we go. He's right here. Or is this a girl?
Why'd you hit her?
No, I didn't hit her. I'm right where the arrow. Oh, yeah, now I hit her. My bad.
Yo, GTA 3. No, Max Payne. I love Max Payne. Yo, I want. What's this monitor? Is it 1920?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I want anti-aliasing off. Yeah. High settings. Everything's on high. Let's see how this game runs, baby. Oh, dude, this is like 30? 60? Oh, God, my frames dropped. Oh, God, there's another one. Check this out.
Such a cool game.
Dude, this game is sick, man. It makes me respect where we're at now for operating systems, I think. Like, even just the simple things like hitting Windows and search or the load times for things.
You know, as much as I reminisce and like to think I miss XP, it's really easy to just fly through Windows 11. There's a lot of like sub-menus that I originally was like, oh, why'd they get rid of all these? But once you get used to it, it's so much faster.
Looking back then, Windows XP really was a huge step in the path toward modern Windows. 95 and 98 deserve some credit. They had vastly more usable interfaces than what came before them, but they did nothing to solve the issues that were inherent with the DOS-based reality that was behind the curtains. 2000 addressed a lot of the stability and security concerns, thanks to its business-grade NT kernel, but it was only intended for business users and was priced to match, so it fell to XP to bring those benefits to the average user. And aside from just stability, there are glimpses of the future all over Windows XP. The Start menu moved away from the monolithic all programs list in favor of highlighting your most used app. It had improved search, meaning you didn't have to go digging for things quite so often. And it had improved networking and internet features that were central to ushering in the always connected world we live in now, where most of what we do on a computer is in a web browser, say with Wikipedia, rather than loaded onto our machine with a disk like Microsoft Encarta. Speaking of mind-blowing things, this will probably blow our younger viewers' minds, but thumbnails, slideshows, and the task pane, those didn't exist before Windows XP. And while auto run wasn't new, there was finally enough functionality in the operating system and bundled apps for it to be genuinely useful, as we saw in our music ripping and our disk burning challenges. So XP, you know what? You stood up to the test of time, even if your usability could have been a little better. Just like this segue could have been a little better. To our sponsor. Acronis. Managing your organization's IT can be quite difficult if you don't have a clear view of what's going on. It can almost feel like playing whack-a-mole, but you're blindfolded. And you're driving a car, and the volume is cranked to the max. You guys get the point. But with Acronis Cyber Protect, you get a combination of security, backup, and recovery that are all bundled into one easy-to-use, AI-enhanced platform that reduces your reliance on central IT. You can enjoy ultra-secure backup and recovery from multi-site environments, manage remote endpoints, run vulnerability assessments, and handle patch management through a single console. Plus, with centralizing things into a single platform, you save on the hassle and cost of dealing with multiple vendors. So use our link in the video description and see for yourself how you can simplify your business's data protection and cybersecurity with Acronis Cyber Protect. If you guys enjoyed this video, maybe go check out the one where we had young people try Windows 95. They struggled even more.